मोमज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे नित्यानंद नमस्तुभ्यं प्रेमानंदप्रदायिने कलौ कल्मषनाशाय जानुवापते नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नामने गौरतुसे नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। So welcome everyone for today's discussion on Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So we are discussing from chapter 2, verse 16, verse number 60. We were discussing, we started this discussion already. यततो हि अपि कौन्तेय पुरुषश्च विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रशभं मनः. So the senses are so strong and impetuous, O Arjuna, that they forcibly carry away the mind even of a man of discrimination who is endeavoring to control them. I got the answer. Yesterday, I heard something means a very astonishing thing somebody did or tried, not actually did, but tried to do it. I was very much means, disturbed that how can a person or devotee who knows everything act can plan to act like this? Lord Krishna is giving the reason. That's true. Yatato hyapi kaunteya. The senses are so strong and impetuous. Means strong senses are so strong that it forcibly carries away the mind of a person who has discriminating knowledge. Means somebody who knows everything, what is wrong, what is right, and who can discriminate. This is not at all good. But still, I'm confused. If you know that this is not at all good, so how can you act? Because to act is in our hand. It depends upon us. Even if mind is disturbed, mind is there, mind is forcing us to do something. But if I know that if I just hear the mind's dictation, if I do this, so what is my future? That everybody knows. How can somebody do? What Krishna is telling here, senses are so strong and impetuous that they forcibly carry away the mind even of a man of discrimination who is endeavoring to control them, who is endeavoring to control them. It's so very difficult, no? Yeah. In Bhagavatam also, in history, there are many examples. A man of, the best example can be of Lord Brahma, who can be more intelligent than Brahma. Lord Brahma is very intelligent and he has four heads. He knows all the Vedic literature. Still, when he gave birth to his daughter, Saraswati, he became impetuous. His mind senses are so strong that he started running after. This example is there in the Bhagavatam. It means mind can be so powerful. That's why one has to be extremely careful. One cannot let loose mind and senses to go in whatever direction it demands. That's that is very risky. So one has to control it by all means, from all sides. In one of the words, Krishna says this, that one should control the mind and senses from all directions. So there are many learned sages, philosophers, and transcendentalists who try to conquer the senses, but in spite of their endeavors, even the greatest of them sometimes fall victim to material sense enjoyment due to the agitated mind. When mind becomes agitated, then it practically makes the person blind. He becomes blind, and he just runs after the dictation of the mind. Mind is so powerful. That's why anyone who desires not to get agitated by the dictation of mind and act in a way which will ruin his spiritual career, one should one should be careful not to put himself in such situation, because if one puts himself in such situation where he can lose his discriminating power, his discrimination, one may become blinded, or one may lose control over mind and senses, and hence get affected by the dictation of mind. So before this happens, one should have precaution. Precaution means not to put ourselves in such situation where we may become so agitated that no more possible to be able to control mind and senses, and especially for those who are young devotees. So important. That's why we we have made this strict rule that no contact with opposite genders. This rule is very strict. But somebody, he or she, they were objecting, why such a strict rule? We are just talking in a friendly way. ऐसा सुना ना? Just friend, we are just friends. Friends with no benefit. फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट भी है ना एक, ऐसा फ्रेंड्स विद नो बेनिफिट भी बोलते हैं। आई डोंट नो। हाँ, फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट तो सुना मैंने, है ना। फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट मतलब मालूम है क्या होता है? हाँ, फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट मतलब कुत्ता बिल्ली। फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट का मतलब होता है दैट वी हैव नो प्लान, फ्यूचर प्लानिंग, वी जस्ट वांट टू एंजॉय each other. As long as we are together, let us enjoy all kinds of nonsense. And then you are on your own way, and I am on my way. So this is what is doggish mentality. A dog or a cat or a hog, they do like this. जब तक है साथ में, let us enjoy, and then मैं अपनी गली, तुम अपनी गली. Yes, there is no difference. The friends with benefit is animalistic, and friends with no benefit is ultimately going to lead towards such attachment, which will eventually force a person to go against the principles of the scriptures. One will be forced to break the principle. Mind will become so agitated. If Lord Brahma can become victim of Maya, even to the point of Lord Shiva can also become. And there are many other examples, great rishis, munis, than who we are. So that's why this strict rule is very important to safeguard. Just like even if a person who is very expert swimmer, if he is not careful, he may also drown, isn't it? Even if somebody is very expert driver, if he is not careful, he may also meet accident. होता है कि नहीं होता है? हाँ? नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी इसलिए लिखा रहे। हाँ, लापरवाही में तो है। सिमिलरली, लापरवाही मतलब केयरलेसनेस मीन्स नॉट टू फॉलो, मीन्स द रूल्स। जो रूल्स बताया गया है उसको फॉलो नहीं करो, दैट इज केयरलेसनेस, एंड देन एक्सीडेंट मस्ट हैव। कितनी बार बचेगा? इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूल्स, ड्राइविंग रूल्स प्रॉपरली, देन यू मे सेव योरसेल्फ वन टाइम, टू टाइम, थ्री टाइम, बट एक दिन हो ही जाएगा। even if it happens even a single time, death may come। सही बात है। Similarly, in spiritual life also, however expert and however knowledgeable we may be, and वो ये नहीं बोल सकता अभी तक मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है। आई एम, मुझे मालूम है, ये कंट्रोल में है, मैं कंट्रोल में करता हूँ। एक एक भक्त मेरे को बोल, प्रभु आई नो हाउ टू कंट्रोल, आई ऑलवेज रिमेन इन अ लिमिट। बस इतना ही, थोड़ा मजा लिया बस हो गया। हाँ, है ना, कई लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा, मुझे मालूम है आई कैन कंट्रोल, बट दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस। ये ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस। सो आप ठीक है, यू मे बी एबल टू डू इट वन टाइम, टू टाइम, थ्री टाइम, फोर टाइम, 10 टाइम्स, 15 टाइम, 20 टाइम्स, बट डेथ क्या है? ये ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट बंदा कौन है? हाँ, यू आर दैट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट बंदा भाई। हाँ, यू ओनली सेड, मेरे को पूछ रहा है। सामने है तभी तुम्हें बोल दिया। यही है बंदा। याद आया कि नहीं आया? क्लास छोड़ के नहीं जाना, हाँ। नहीं तो फिर वो पकड़ूंगा तो अच्छे से पिटाई करूंगा, क्लास पूरा अटेंड करूँ, बाद में बताऊँ। सो इफ यू जस्ट वन एक्सीडेंट इज सफिशिएंट टू किल अस। सही बात है ना? एक एक्सीडेंट पर्याप्त है मारने के। सो यू मे बी एबल टू मीन्स रेजिस्ट द टेम्पटेशन, कंट्रोल द टेम्पटेशन, 1, 5, 10, 20 times, but one time if you fall down, the spiritual death. Okay. So why should one risk oneself? So this is not at all good. So one should be careful. That's why the example is given in this verse. But in spite of their, there are many learned sages, philosophers, and transcendentalists who try to conquer the senses. But in spite of their endeavors, even the greatest of them sometimes fall victim to material sense enjoyment due to the agitated mind. Even Vishwamitra, a great sage and perfect yogi, who misled, perfect yogi was misled by Menaka into sex enjoyment. Although the yogi was endeavoring for sense control with severe types of penance and yoga practice, Vishwamitra, he was performing great austerities. For 1000 years he performed. And after 1000 years, as soon as Menaka came in front of him, he became agitated. रामायण, वाल्मीकि रामायण में वर्णन है, क्या स्थिति है, मालूम है? हाँ, when Menaka came, Vishwamitra, he lost all discrimination. It, not even a single thought came that this is not good. He immediately went and invited her in his ashram and lived with her for 10 years. After 10 years, he got the sense that, oh, I got entangled. Maya is so powerful. Huh? After 10 years, he got this hint that I got entangled. थोड़ा होश में आया, immediately छोड़ छाड़ के भाग गए दूसरी जगह। He left immediately. That is also very wonderful thing. It's not so easy thing. Because तपस्या किया था, that's why he had this guts. As soon as he understood that I am getting entangled, first time तो he got entangled. So as soon as he understood that I got entangled, मेरा सब खत्म हो गया, 1 साल का पूरा तपस्या फिनिश। तो बेचारे बड़े परेशान हो गए, और इमीडिएटली ही लेफ्ट दैट प्लेस। वो आश्रम ही छोड़ दिया और चले गए कहीं और। दिस इज कॉल्ड डिटर्मिनेशन, दिस इज, दैट्स व्हाई ही गॉट सक्सेस। Although he was falling down, he fell multiple times, but because he was determined, and each time he just left that situation. ऐसा नहीं कि वहीं पे फंस गया. Yeah, the weakness of heart was not there. Means he was strong. So that is the way a specialist should act. If we are getting stuck somewhere, we are getting entangled, and if we are coming to know that this situation is entangling me, so we should immediately leave that situation. We should not just remain there. Otherwise, we'll just fall down again and again. What is the use? So if somebody can do this, that means he has some strength and he can progress. But if somebody is knowing that in this situation, particular situation, I will fall down, I am getting entangled, but still one is unable to leave that situation, that means he is very weak. And even in that situation, he should come to the association of devotees and take shelter. The devotees will help. So even Vishwamitra, great sage and perfect yogi, was misled by mankind to sex enjoyment. Although the yogi was endeavoring for sense control with severe types of penance and yoga practice. And of course, there are so many similar instances in the history of the world. So there are so many similar instances in the history. Bhagavad is filled with this. Great, not just this ordinary kind of person like us. We are ordinary person, isn't it? We are ordinary person. But there are examples in the Bhagavatam of great Brahmanas, great rishis. Yes, Vishwamitra, great sage, great rishi, perfect yogi. He was a perfect yogi. Means he had mystic power. Already he created a duplicate heavenly planet for Trishanga. Just imagine. He was so great mystic yogi. He created heavenly planet for Trishanku because demigods they didn't allow Trishanku to come. First he sent Trishanku directly to Swarga without performing any yajna with the same body, within the same. Generally the rule is one cannot go to heavenly planets with this same body. But there are yajnas by performing which you can go to Swarga with this body only. Same body. You can go. There are yajnas. But Trishanku was not qualified to perform those kind of yajnas. Because to perform those kind of yajnas, certain qualifications are required. But Trishanku was not qualified. But Vishwamitra is still, he did this yajna and he sent him. Lord Indra, he pushed him back that you are not allowed to come because you are not qualified. So he was just falling down on the earthly planet. Vishwamitra stopped him in between and said, wait, I am creating another planet for you. And with his mystic power, he created another heavenly planet. Just imagine, he was perfect, such a yogi. But there is such a perfect yogi, he also got misled by Menaka. So great sage, perfect yogi, great Brahmana, and great kings like King Yayati. So if they also uh, fell down, so who we are? So how can we be? Should we become so foolish to know that, to consider ourselves to be so strong and capable that, oh, there are devotees, they say, प्रभु जी मेरा कुछ नहीं है उसके साथ लेना देना. I just talk little bit. बस बस थोड़ा सा मस्ती हो जाता है बस. अभी बातचीत में बस ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. आई एम नॉट अटैच टू हर. मेरे को अगर कभी लगेगा अटैच तो फिर मैं नहीं बात करूँ. दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस. दैट्स व्हाई आई मेड दिस स्टिक रूल. वो वर्क नहीं करेगा प्रभु. है ना. एक तरफ से आप मेडिसिन लेते जाओ और दूसरी तरफ से वो नॉनसेंस करते जाओ जिसमें आप फंस सकते हो. व्हाट इज द यूज? डॉक्टर शुड अलाउ और नॉट. ऐसे पेशेंट को नहीं रखना चाहिए. मालूम है ना? क्या फायदा होगा? इतना मेडिसिन भी दे रहे हैं, ट्रीटमेंट भी दे रहे हैं, और वो उधर भी नॉनसेंस भी करता जा रहा है, तो फिर डिजीज दूर नहीं होगा. हाँ, खिड़की खोल के झाड़ू मारने जैसा होगा. पेशेंट अंदर भी आ रहा है, हवा भी चल रहा है, झाड़ू भी लगा रहा है, फायदा क्या होगा? तो that will not work. That's why, by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, I got this good, what you say, no, notice, means realization. Mahaprabhu, in Mayapur, I was in Mayapur, Mahaprabhu helped me. made this rule for me as well and for others. So anyone who wants to progress, we should always remember, if we desire to progress in Krishna consciousness, if we have the desire to become an associate of the Supreme Lord, है desire, ऐसा लगता है कभी भगवान की जब ऐसे लीलाओं को हम सुनते हैं, जिसमें भगवान के बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पार्षद भगवान के साथ कैसे पास टाइम कर रहे हैं, लीला कर रहे हैं, कितने दिव्य आनंद को महसूस कर रहे हैं, हमारे अंदर इच्छा आती है that I also become an associate like one of them. स्पेशली महाप्रभु की जो संकीर्तन लीला है, मैं जब पढ़ता हूँ तो ये इंटेंस डिजायर आता है दैट अगर कुछ किसी का एसोसिएट बनना है ना, किसी का पार्टनर बनना है, सो लेट अस बिकम पार्टनर और एसोसिएट ऑफ महाप्रभु और महाप्रभुज एसोसिएट्स। श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु भगवान का है, भगवान के जो दिव्य पार्षद हैं, जो भगवान के लिए तड़पते हैं, रोते हैं, प्रेम प्रेमाविष्ट होकर के, उनका पार्षद बनना चाहिए, उनका पार्टनर बनना चाहिए ना। ये क्या नॉनसेंस थर्ड क्लास इस संसार के लोगों का पार्टनर बन, जिनका खुद का भरोसा नहीं है कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। इसलिए तो गाते हैं ना, हम किस गली जा रहे हैं, सुना है? भक्ति में आने के पहले ये सॉन्ग मैं सुना करता था, लेकिन ये सॉन्ग सुन करके मैं सच में सोचता था कि ये सही सही बोल रहे हैं, हम किस गली जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर IIT। सो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू हियर दिस सॉन्ग, तो मैं ये सॉन्ग सुनता था इसके लिए, ताकि ये समझ या फोकस कर सकूं कि IIT के लिए फोकस करना है और किसी गली नहीं जाना है। और सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शन को अवॉइड करने के लिए मैं सुनना करता था, एक दो दिन में ऐसे लगा लेता था, सुनता था कि जो बाकी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, स्पेशली अपोजिट सेक्स का डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, तो उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए मैं ये सुनता था कि हम किस गली जा रहे हैं, इस गली नहीं जाना है, ये गली है। लेकिन ये सुनते सुनते कुछ समय बाद लगने लग गई, IIT वाली गली भी क्या है, ये भी नॉनसेंस ही है एक तरह से। इवन इफ आई क्लियर IIT एंड गेट अ गुड कॉलेज, फिर बहुत पैसा, तो अल्टीमेटली फिर वही चीज है, गुड वाइफ, सो कॉल्ड गुड वाइफ, गुड पैसा, ये सब क्या है? वो भी कौन सी गली है? गली मृत्यु की तरफ ही जा रही है। इधर भी मृत्यु, इधर भी मृत्यु, इधर भी मृत्यु। बस एक ही है डेस्टिनेशन, वही है मृत्यु, फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन फिनिश। गलियां अलग अलग, कुछ गलियां दिखने में खराब लग रही हैं, कुछ अच्छी लग रही हैं, कोई अंतर है? अल्टीमेटली आप गड्ढे में ही जाके गिर रहे हो, खाई में, फायदा क्या? लेकिन उस वक्त कुछ पता नहीं था ना कि और भी कोई गली हो सकती है जो भगवान के धाम लेके जा सकती है। बट एज सुन एज आई ज्वाइन कॉलेज, आई गॉट भगवत गीता एंड डिवोटी एसोसिएशन, इमीडिएटली पता चल गया, अरे ये गली है अच्छी गली। जब वो गली मिल गई तो ये किस गली वाला गाना वाना सब छोड़ छाड़ दिया, अब जरूरत। हाँ, हाँ, वी शुड लीव ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस, ये सब कंटामिनेट करते हैं। हाँ, इसलिए फिल्म लाइन ज्यादा ठीक नहीं है। आपको फिल्म लाइन में प्रिपेयर करने के लिए वो कंटामिनेशन लेना पड़ेगा। आर यू रेडी? कंटामिनेट होना पड़ेगा, नॉट गुड। हाँ, उसी में लगना चाहिए। एनीवे, सो लेकिन दिस इज सो, इल्यूजन इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, माया इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, कि वो कन्विंस करता है व्यक्ति को, यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन डू दिस, यू आर वेरी पावरफुल। एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सो मेनी similar instances in the history of the world. Therefore, it is very difficult to control the mind and senses without being fully Krishna conscious. If somebody is fully Krishna conscious, then no problem. Because somebody who is fully Krishna conscious, then he is all the time, he is just in remembrance with the Lord. He is just serving Krishna. He is just fully, his heart is filled with love. And the symptom of that love is he cannot think, act, or do anything except for Krishna. But till the time we are not fully, and we know, we can know, we are not fully Krishna conscious, right? So we should avoid, पॉसिबल, पर इतने ग्रेट लोगों का फॉल डाउन, कैसे पॉसिबल है इतने ग्रेट लोगों का फॉल डाउन? क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग। इफ सच ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज कैन ऑल्सो फॉल डाउन, then we should take lesson, then who we are. Why should we become so overconfident और नेग्लेक्ट करना जो रूल्स बताए जाते हैं बाय आवर सुपीरियर्स? Whenever our superiors they give us some instruction or rule, that's for our protection. If we do not follow, then there is chances of getting entangled again. ये कौन से बंदे हैं यार, ये कोई अटैचमेंट फील नहीं कर रहा, बात करता है। अरे respond. Yes, sir. Anyway. So, and of course, there are so many simulations. Therefore, it is very difficult to control the mind and senses without being fully Krishna conscious. Without engaging the mind in Krishna, one cannot see such material engagements. Until unless one's mind is fully engaged in Krishna consciousness, means one is overcharged with Krishna consciousness. It's not possible for a person to cease material engagement of sense enjoyment, especially. A practical example is given by Sri Yamunachar, a great saint and devotee, who says, what he says, Yadavadhi mama cheta Krishna padar binde नव नवरसधाम्युच्यन्तं रन्तुमासे तदवधिबत नारी सङ्गमे स्मर्यमाणे भवति मुखविकार सुष्ठु निष्ठीवनं च. Since my mind has been engaged in service of the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, and I have been enjoying an ever new transcendental humor, whenever I think of sex life with a woman, my face at once turns from it and I spit at the thought. If we can reach to this level, then we can be overconfident. But a person who has reached to this level, he becomes very humble and he is always in prayerful mode. My dear Lord, please protect me. Just like Prabhupada, he himself, he was completely transcendentally situated, but he always prayed to the Lord, please protect me from your Maya. So Yamunacharya says like this, just imagine. That is the test of advancement in Krishna consciousness, how much advanced we are. When the thought of sex enjoyment comes within the mind, do we feel disgusted or we feel enjoy enjoyment? There should if somebody who is relishing the taste of service to the lotus feet of Krishna, so when the thought of sex enjoyment comes within his mind, he feels distasteful, disgusted. The feeling is just like uh, means you are eating sweet rice, very wonderful sweet rice, and as soon as some small sand particles it comes, so how do you feel, कैसा फील हो, ऐसा कभी हुआ है? कोई बहुत टेस्टी चीज खा रहे हो और कुछ पत्थर का कंकड़ जो है फंस गया, कैसा लगता है? खराब हो जाता है, डिस्टेस्ट, डिस्गस्टिंग, वैसा फील होना चाहिए. When somebody who is actually Krishna conscious, so when he is remembering Krishna, when he is serving Krishna, and as soon as some thought of sex enjoyment comes within his mind because of previous association, or seeing a beautiful woman, thought comes. So if he is able to feel like this, disgusting, that means he has reached to that platform of pure Krishna consciousness. So till that time, one should be very careful. One should avoid by all means not to have any association. Means no direct association because that is going to entangle us. We should be very careful. It is not just a rule for brahmachari. One who is a grahastha or one who is planning to become a grahastha, he should also follow this rule in order to avoid this nonsense illicit connection, extramarital affair. It happens or not? होता है कि नहीं होता, समाज में देखता है, मालूम है ना? होता है, क्यों होता है? इसी कारण होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ agitation of mind. Our senses are so strong. Ajamila, he was, मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, देख, आई नो माई लिमिट्स. कैसे कैसे लेक्चर, फिर लेक्चर क्यों अटेंड कर रहे हो, जाओगे? स्टिल somebody is feeling आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट प्रभु. So, ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंट प्रभु को दंडवत प्रणाम. मैं नहीं डील कर सकता. If you are confident, that means you are superior to me. I am not confident. I avoid. I don't directly talk or deal with women because I know I may fall down. Why to take risk? But if you are confident, that means you are superior to me. Better you should become my counselor or my guru. That means you should find out somebody more superior to me. मेरा नेचर, ये सब नेचर फेचर वाली बात है. नथिंग विल वर्क प्रभु. मेरा नेचर है. नेचर, यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर नेचर. सब पसंद करते हैं. सबको पसंद करने का किसी को. आई डोंट. हाँ, एक ये भी चीज. हाँ, जब किसी को बोलो कि यू फॉलो स्ट्रिक्टली दिस रूल, डू नॉट टॉक, डू नॉट एसोसिएट विद अपोजिट जेंडर, बोलते हैं व्हाई यू आर टीचिंग अस टू अनलव अनलव समबडी. किसी को घृणा करना क्यों सिखाते हो? क्या कृष्ण यही सिखाते हैं? हाँ, डज कृष्ण टीच लाइक दिस? इस कृष्ण कॉन्सेप्ट. हाँ, तो ये सब क्या है? So we can cheat. I can cheat you. I can cheat you. I can cheat everyone else. But I cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna is within the heart. And I should certainly not cheat at least myself. मुझे तो अपने आप को तो धोखे में नहीं रखना चाहिए ना, कम से कम. We should ask very honestly to ourselves. Is it true? Whatever we are saying, writing. Yeah, you can never hide anything from Krishna. If we are serious, sincere, I'm accepting boldly. I'm wearing saffron, practicing Krishna consciousness last 13 years. I have no record of getting attached to any Matajis. But still I'm accepting very boldly. Why to hide anything? Very clearly I tell. Even if some Matajis wants to talk to me, I clearly say, no, I cannot allow all this. We have to follow such rules because I do not want my mind to get agitated and then leave ashram. Why should I risk myself? If I understand I have got this human birth and this is so precious, uh, by this human birth, we can develop love for Krishna, which is the only precious and valuable thing in the life, which we cannot get even after wandering throughout many millions and trillions of species. Brahmand Brahmite Kona Bhagyavana Ji. After wandering so many millions and trillions of life, I got this opportunity of human birth, and even in this opportunity, there is still more great fortune is that I got the association of pure devotees like Srila Prabhupada. So why should I become so foolish to risk? कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति थोड़ा भी रिस्क करेगा? सपोज if if you have very यूपीएससी एग्जाम होता है. यूपीएससी एग्जाम प्रीलिम क्लियर किया, मेंस क्लियर किया और फाइनल इंटरव्यू. तो कोई व्यक्ति रिस्क लेगा? इंटरव्यू के दिन ही जाके ट्रेवल करके वहां पहुंचेगा? एटलीस्ट एक दिन दो दिन पहले पहुंचेगा. पहले ही रिजर्वेशन कर लेगा, सब कुछ अच्छे से. रिस्क नहीं लेना भाई. करेगा कि नहीं करेगा? सो उसी प्रकार से इफ आई एम गोइंग टू हैव इंटरव्यू विद द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड, तो जब तक इंटरव्यू नहीं हो जाता है इस लाइफ टाइम में, तो मैं कैसे अपने आप को रिस्क में डालूं कि छूट जाए वो इंटरव्यू, अल्टीमेट इंटरव्यू विद द लॉर्ड. एंड वंस वन इंटरव्यू विद द लॉर्ड, फिनिश गेम. यू गॉट सक्सेस, कंप्लीट सक्सेस. एंड दिस इज guaranteed. Prabhupada said, if you strictly follow four regulative principle and if you chant 16 rounds minimum and engage yourself in Krishna's service, in this lifetime you can meet Krishna face to face. You can talk to Krishna. You can eat with Krishna. You can live with Krishna eternally. हमेशा हमेशा के लिए कृष्ण के साथ आप रह सकते हैं. तो कौन मूर्ख व्यक्ति होगा जो इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को लूज करने के लिए तैयार हो जाएगा, बस ये सब नॉनसेंस कुछ थोड़ा बहुत मजा लेने के लिए. हाँ, और उस मजे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए सारी चीजें बोलेगा. I know I'm confident. I'm not overconfident. I know my limit. This is all nonsense. I know my limit. I also know your limit. If you know your limit, then why we fall down again and again? Very fact, practical thing. We should not fall down, but we fall down. We are very vulnerable to fall down. We should not be so unnecessarily confident. बोलता मैं क्लास छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ, इतना रोज किया। हाँ, मेरा नेचर है ओपिनियन, सब पसंद करते हैं बात करना, और मैं कोई गलत थॉट भी नहीं रखता उनके लिए बैक ऑफ माई माइंड। तो इसमें मैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे बने? जनता को जवाब चाहिए, जनता को जवाब चाहिए। हाँ। जनता को जवाब दिया जा रहा है, ये पैराग्राफ दिस in this purport Prabhupada is writing, if great sages like Vishwamitra Muni, वो उनका भी पता नहीं सकता है, तो आप ठीक है। हाँ, ठीक है। अगर आप जो भी ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं प्रश्न, इफ यू आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड सो एलिवेटेड, तो आपको चरणों में दंडवत प्रणाम। मैं तो ऐसा नहीं हूँ भाई। आई फ्रेंकली एडमिट आई एम नॉट लाइक दिस, सो आई हैव टू protect myself. This is our duty. We cannot be so foolish to is, think that Maya is so easy to overcome. So Krishna consciousness is such a transcendently nice thing that automatically material enjoyment becomes distasteful. Uh, It is as if a hungry man had satisfied his hunger by a sufficient quantity of nutritious eatables. Maharaj Ambarish also conquered a great yogi Durvasha Muni simply because his mind was engaged in Krishna consciousness. So, but Krishna consciousness, if one can develop Krishna consciousness, pure Krishna consciousness, just like Sri Yamunacharya, Maharaj Ambarish, they develop, then he will become completely free from. But till that time, we have to be very careful and put endeavor to develop that pure form of Krishna consciousness. Okay, thank you very much. We stop here. If you have any question, you can ask. The question is, what should we follow so that there is not even a single percent chance of fall down? So if we strictly follow the rules and regulations which are given to us by our superiors, uh, and if we always maintain humble attitude and very humbly pray to God, pray to Krishna and engage ourselves in his service, and in spite of all the temptations, all the agitation, we should be means very much determined to follow what we have been instructed. Then there is no question of falling down. One cannot fall. It's easy. If somebody is who is driving, if he is following the rules and regulation, traffic rules and regulation very strictly, then he can drive throughout his life. He will not meet an accident. So it's just how much we are strictly following. And one can follow strictly the instructions of the superiors, a spiritual master, if one develops some affection and love for them. This is working for me. I mean, because I developed some attachment for my Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada. So whenever a thought for breaking a principle, breaking a rule, a simple rule, there is nothing to break the four relative principle, but rule is rule, simple rule. So immediately I get alarmed that my Guru Maharaj will not be pleased with this. He has not instructed me to act like this. So I should refrain from it. That's why I made all this rule for myself. Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.